Elephant is on fire. In today's video, we'll be buying some Elephant in preparation for the supply shock. We will be using DBank's newest crypto wallet, Rabby, and we'll be adding the Anchor BSC RPC, which will allow us to have the cheapest transaction fee. Let's jump in. You didn't think I was going to jump in, did you? Welcome everyone. Today we'll be going through 4 different objectives. We'll be installing the Rabby wallet on Google Chrome. We'll be adding the Anchor BSC RPC so that we can get a cheap transaction fee. We'll also be doing buy with Bertha with $1,000 worth of BNB. And we'll also check the BSC scan to see our transaction goes through at the cheapest price. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and look up Rabby wallet. We'll go ahead and select download for Chrome. We want to add to Chrome and add extension. Next, select the puzzle piece icon and select the pin tab so that the icon is pinned to your toolbar. And now go ahead and get started with Rabby. Here you'll need to import address or create a new one. So for myself, I'm going to import a wallet I previously have made. You'll need to set a new password up and click next. Go ahead, enter your seed phrase, or if you're creating a new wallet, do that. And go ahead and import the wallet addresses you would like to. Great, we now have Rabby wallet set up, and now we're going to add the Anchor RPC. Go ahead and go on Google and look up BSC Anchor RPC. We're gonna select the website with the URL anchor.com/RPC/BSC. Go ahead and select the Add Network MetaMask little fox guy icon. Even though we have Rabby, it will still be added to the Rabby wallet. Next, we can see that it was added successfully. Now we'll need to get some crypto. I'm going to use 1,000 USD and go ahead and convert it to BNB to buy Elephant. If you're in the US, I recommend using changenow.io. If you're outside of the US or using a VPN, you can use easybit.com. Go ahead and enter the amount of crypto you want to exchange and select your destination address to the wallet that you have. Complete the exchange by sending the crypto to the wallet address provided. After a few minutes, we received our BNB in our wallet. Now it's time to buy with Bertha. Head over to elephant.money and select Elephant. Now, under the Buy with Bertha tab, select Buy. Here, you can enter the amount of BNB you would like to spend to buy the Elephant token, or you can set a destination address for the Elephant to go to. Remember, you get a 1.5% discount when you buy with Bertha and you have a partner in the herd. If you need a herd partner, add me. Details in the description below. Enter the quantity of BNB you would like to spend on Elephant. Select Buy. In the gas field, select the custom box and enter 1. Confirm the transaction. After a few moments, your transaction will be completed. Let's go over to BSC scan and check out how much we spent on gas. Here we can enter our wallet address and check the transaction history. As you can see, the most recent transaction was my buy with Bertha. Checking BSC scan, I can see that I got 4.7 billion Elephant tokens and I only spent $1.53 on my gas fee using buy with Bertha. Each one, teach one.